Today's lesson is long division. Long division is as simple as memorizing the people in this family. Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, Rover. Each person represents a step in the long division process. Dad means divide. Mom means multiply. Sister means subtract. Brother means bring down. And rover means repeat or remainder. Step 1 in long division. Dad says divide. Divide 2 into first number in the dividend. Think how many 2's will fit into 9. How many 2's will go into 9? Write that number directly above the number you divided into. 2 goes into 9 4 times. We move on to Mom, and Mom says, multiply! Multiply the divisor times the first number in the quotient. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write your answer directly under the 9 or the number you just divided into. Our sister says, now we must subtract. Draw a line under the 8. Write a subtraction sign next to the 8. Subtract 8 from 9. Write your answer directly below the 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. We move on to my little brother. He says, bring down. Go to the next number in the dividend to the right of the 9, which is the 4. Write an arrow under the 4. Bring the 4 down next to the 1 to make 14. Step 5. Woo! Rover. Rover says repeat or remainder. This is where you decide whether you repeat the 5 steps of division. If your divisor can divide into your new number, 14, or if you have numbers in the dividend that have not been brought down, you repeat the 5 steps of division. Going back to Dad. We're going to divide. Divide 2 into your new number of 14. Place your answer directly above the 4 in your quotient. 2 goes into 14 7 times. Moving on to Mom. She says multiply. Multiply your divisor 2 with your new number in the quotient, 7. Place your answer directly under the 14. 2 times 7 is 14. We move on to our sister. Subtract. Draw a line under the bottom 14, like so. Draw a subtraction sign. Bing. Subtract and place answer under the line. 14 minus 14 is 0. Moving on to my brother. We're going to bring it down. Put an arrow under the next number, 7, in the dividend, like so. Bring the 7 down next to the 0. Rover, repeat or remainder. If the 2 will divide into your new number, 7, then repeat the steps of division. Dad says we must divide. Divide your divisor, 2, into your new number, 7. Place your answer in the quotient next to the 7. 2 goes into 7 3 times. Mom says we must multiply. Multiply your divisor 2 by your new number in the quotient, 3. Place your answer under the number you brought down, 7. 6, 7. Sister says subtract. Draw a line under the number 6. Add your subtraction sign. Subtract and put your answer directly under the 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Brother says bring down. Look at your dividend to see if there are any more numbers to bring down. If not, move to step 5. There are no numbers to bring down, so we move to Rover. Rover says repeat or remainder. Since there are no more numbers to bring down, and 2 will not divide into 1, you do not repeat the steps of division. The number left over, 1, becomes the remainder. Remainder of 1. 473 with a remainder of 1 would be our final answer. You did it! You're so smart! You're awesome! Cool, dude! Yo!